Hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kodernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para may updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kodernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is caring for your bone and muscles. So ito naman, ang ating goal for this day, malaman natin how we will take care of our body, especially yung bones natin, muscles natin, to become more healthy and of course active ang ating physical attributes. So before we start our lesson, so syempre, meron pa rin tayong trivia as always. So bagong kaalaman, meron pa rin tayong malalaman na iba pang trivias and facts dito sa ating mga lessons. So, next. Cows, oh my gosh. Cows have best friends. So, hindi lang tayong mga taong may best friend, hindi lang yung dogs hindi lang tayo mayroong dogs and human relationship as best friends. Hindi lang meron tayong best friend na tao. So, yung mga animals then like cows, they have best friends. So, cows may seem simple creatures, but deep down they are surprisingly social and can experience a complex range of emotions and relationships, including friendship. When heifers have their preferred partner with them, their stress levels in terms of their heart rates are reduced compared with if they were with a random individual. A researcher from the University of Northampton told the BBC. So, meron din pala silang best friend and they can experience complex range of emotions and they can go or they can grow themselves into relationships like friendship. So, katulad nitong nasa picture. So, their stress levels are reduced and their heart rate are reduced din. So, parang kung sa tao, kapag nasa kaibigan natin tayo, syempre, nakakalimutan natin yung stress levels natin. Hindi tayo na-high blood kasi happy-happy lang pagkasama natin yung mga best friends natin or friend natin. We always have fun with them. So, that's why nagiging relaxed tayo. Katulad para ding animals. If they have friends, they reduce their stress levels and their heart rate. So, it's from the researcher from University of Northampton. So, cows have best friends. So, ang next natin na slide, ito na yung ating lesson proper for caring for your bones and muscles. So, caring for your bones and muscles. Think of yourself as a bundle of muscles without bones. Isipin mo, puro lang tayong muscle, wala tayong bone. How do you think you would look? So, syempre, para tayong lambutin nun kapag wala tayong bones. Kasi yung bones natin is a very vital part ng ating katawan maliban sa skin. So, yung skin is ang pinaka largest amount ng ating organ sa ating body, ating organ system. So, you would be soft all over and you would not be able to stand erect. So, hindi ka makatayo ng ayos, hindi ka makakalakad, lambutin, magiging malambot yung pagkilos natin because we do not have bones. Your brain, heart, and lungs would be exposed to bombs and other dangers. So, dahil nga, ang ating bones is a type of protective layer in our skin, lalo na sa ulo, because we have skull, it protects our brain and other neurons dito sa ating head. So, that's why we need to take care of our bones. Kailangan makasuot tayo ng helmet para maprotektahan yung skull and maprotektahan yung inner part ng ating head. So, ayan. So, you all learn that bones and muscles are made up of cells. These cells wear out and die. Therefore, you need foods to repair worn out cells and produce new ones. Study the pictures below. These are foods which are good for your bones and muscles. So, tingnan natin kung meron tayong picture dito. So, next muna natin. So, ayan. Next muna tayo. So, made up siya ng cells, of course. We have cells and The cells wear out and die. Meron tayong healthy cells, meron tayong meron tayong mga healthy cells, meron din tayong mga good and bad bacteria na pumupunta sa ating katawan, and some cells are work this out to circulate our body. So, therefore, you need tools to repair worn out cells and produce new ones. So, ito yung ating foods na good sa ating muscles and sa ating bones. So, food with protein. So, meat, milk, cheese, eggs. So, wait. Cheese, eggs, nuts, dried peas, and beans. So, ayan. So, it's very healthy. So, it has rich in protein. So, ang ating protein, need talaga ng muscles natin yan. So, sa atin, ang foods with calcium, it's good for the bones naman. Milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables. So, always milk is very important for us. Kasi nga, rich in talaga siya, nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Of course, we need also green leafy vegetables kasi pinakamasustansya talaga is vegetable. And for protein naman, we need meat also, eggs, cheese, nuts, dried peas, and beans. So, it's good for our diet then. If we always eat junk food, so of course, it would be a disadvantage for our healthy living and healthy body goal. So, ayan. Next. Foods with vitamin C. It's very also important for us. The vitamin C. Oranges, grapefruits, all types of fruits, they have vitamin C. Tomatoes, pineapple, strawberries, avocado, broccoli, asparagus, cauliflower, green pepper, and green leafy vegetables are very rich in vitamin C. We also need that. So, in vitamin D naman, it's liver, eggs, milk, and butter. So, yan, margarine, may lard, may olive oil, smooth like butter, cherry. So, yan. So, yan ang atin. Calcium, protein, vitamin C, and D are very important for our muscles and bones. The bone contains calcium. Always remember that. The bones contain calcium. The vinegar removes the calcium from the bone. Vinegar. Calcium makes the bone straight and strong. So, yung vinegar medyo masama din because they remove the calcium from the bone. So, without calcium, the bones become too soft. Children who do not take enough foods with high calcium or with calcium might acquire a disease called rickets. It's called rickets. These children have bent arms and legs instead of straight ones. This is one of the effects of rickets. So, kapag pag too much naman, masama din. Pag super kulang, masama din. So, we need to be moderate and we must maintain na mag-intake tayo ng foods na high in calcium because, yun nga, baka may tendency na magkaroon ng rickets. So, yung rickets na yan, mostly sa mga bata. So, bent arms and legs. So, ayan. Instead of straight ones. So, yan. However, you need vitamin D so that your body can use the calcium. You can also get vitamin D from the morning sun. So, healthy yung ating sun pag morning. So, pwede tayong maglabas-labas dyan. So, ngayong pandemic, before lumabas, we must wear mask. Paaraw tayo. So, before mag 10 a.m. because 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is the masama ng radiation or heat from the sun kasi nga nakaka-sunburn na siya. But, kapag umaga, for example, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., kapag sumisikat na yung araw, it's very healthy and makakuha tayo ng vitamin D from it. When it shines your skin, your body makes vitamin D by itself. So, ayan. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions to our future videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.